I'm going to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Roku Premiere or Premiere Plus simply by using a button on the player itself, so you don't need the remote. Okay, now this one's plugged in, but let me show you my other one here. If you look on the back here, you'll see a button here that says reset. Now the thing is, I mean, you're going to need a pen or like a needle or something like that. The thing is, if you just press in and let go really quickly, it's only going to restart it. What you need to do is press and hold. Okay, so we're going to do this together. Okay, I'm the one that's actually plugged in, and let me bring my TV up a little bit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Okay, and just keep on holding. Do not let go. Just wait. Still holding here. Okay, Roku logo pops on, then you can go ahead and let go. And this should factory reset it. Now, once it boots back up, we should be at the beginning process of the setup where you have to like choose your language and whatnot. So I'll give this 1 second. Let's turn it back on, and there you go. Pretty simple. Questions, issues, just comment below. Good luck.